Ladies and gentlemen, we are pleased to represent you our joint development with the Chinese locomotive plant Qishuyang Locomotive Company Limited, a part of CRRC Limited, for the Beijing Metro. Under implementation of the project, innovative technologies which could be further used for monitoring of the subways of China were applied. We are representing TVEMA Company. Over a quarter of a century, TVEMA has risen to the level of worldwide manufacturers of diagnostic equipment. Nowadays, company's core activities are designing, production and distribution of control and diagnostic equipment and systems which provide safety of railway infrastructure facilities. Company has own specialized production and repair center in Moscow, covering an area of 8,000 square meters, service center in Irkutsk, own training center and laboratory facility, which since 2009 has trained more than 5,000 specialists. Our innovative products and technologies are being successfully operated in more than 20 countries of the world on 3 continents. Nowadays, a lot of railway and subway companies are exploiting more than 350 mobile diagnostic and maintenance tools of various application and more than 3,500 manual and portable diagnostic tools by joint stock company Firma TVEMA. Nowadays, joint TVEMA, the Chinese locomotive plant Qishuyang Locomotive Company Limited, a part of CRRC Railway Corporation project on designing of automotive railcar, Railway Lab Ultrasonic Test TVEMA 70 for Chinese metropolitans, which was started 4 years ago, had been successfully implemented. Aforesaid project helped the company and the partners to beat our competitors, the world's largest manufacturers of diagnostic equipment. During comparative test under complicated conditions of the Beijing Metro, our systems and equipment showed its best side. The tests were carried out on the test section of the track with artificial defects and in real operating conditions. Following the testing, it was noted that our diagnostic systems meet the high requirements of Beijing Metro's management. Modern technologies of railway infrastructure facilities diagnostic includes complete inspection of railways by several methods of non-destructive testing, ultrasonic, magnetic, and visual, optical. The monitoring data is synchronized by track and geographical coordinates. In recent years, TVEMA has developed new technologies for diagnosing infrastructure. Nowadays, development are being performed in different aspects and areas, in development of more advanced systems and in improving existing systems. In 2013, drawing on our experience and knowledge in developing and production of mobile tools for non-destructive testing of rails, we began developing and creating a unique complex of high-speed ultrasonic rail monitoring. Original design of undercarriage flaws detection equipment guarantees its mounting on both specialized defectoscope bogie and on a standard carriage of most types of wagons between wheel pairs. The latter constructive placement of flaw detection equipment is innovative. The system is intended for diagnostics of rails laid in railway track and provides detection and registration of defects in rails by means of ultrasonic method of non-destructive testing at speeds up to 140 km per hour without reducing the reliability of control. Searching systems centering is carried out in a non-contact mode. Its precise positioning relative to the rail head is realized through interaction of the magnetic field of rail head's permanent magnets with the field of the magnetized rail. The design provides the maximum value of the restoring force when the centering system deviates from the rail axis. Nowadays, two such systems are being operated in Russian railways. During infrastructure's monitoring, synchronization of ultrasound data and results of video monitoring is carried out. Intellectual Video Inspection System for Flaws Detection (SVOD) consists of high-speed linear scanning cameras, LED lighting subsystem, cleaning and blowing subsystem, specialized software. Intellectual Video Inspection System for Flaws Detection (SVOD) is mounted on vehicle's carriage and provides imaging of all permanent ways elements within the rail and tie grating. In recent years, specialists of TVEMA company have realized their experience in designing of mobile diagnostic tools and have created a whole line of unique innovative products for high-speed diagnostics, combining high-speed ultrasonic and optical control of permanent ways technical condition, monitoring of track geometry parameters, rails and third rail, monitoring of railways automation and telemechanics objects, as well as of tunnels elements. What makes our products unique is the balanced combination of such key factors praised by the users as modularity, which allows integrating of different types of diagnostic tools, price-quality ratio, and innovative design. Today, the company offers implementation of an innovative project for the metropolitans of China. as the experience of the company's interaction with foreign partners shows, joint efforts to develop the railway diagnostic system have allowed progress in recent years in improving of both train movement safety conditions and operational characteristics of railway infrastructure facilities and metropolitans of 3 countries. The Russian company Tvema is thankful to the management and the specialists of the Beijing Metro, because due to their increased requirements, a number of proposals were made during the development of the project. Aforesaid proposals of Chinese colleagues allowed us to improve our diagnostic systems.